using transformation formula, that is sin C minus sin D and sin C plus sin D. Cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So sin C minus sin D is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2. Sin C plus sin D can be written as 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. We are at the revision session of the chapter Trigonometry. So we are at session 2 now. So here in this session, we'll be discussing few more problems on 2 or 3 mark question and 5 mark question from the chapter. So let's see the distribution of marks once again. So from the chapter Trigonometry, you will be having 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 1 5 mark question. So in total, you will get 10 mark question. Sometimes they may ask you for 3 mark question from the chapter Trigonometry. Let's start with the problems related to 2 or 3 mark questions. So the first question in this session is find the value of sine 15 degree. So in previous session, we have found it for tan 15 degree. So here sine 15 degree again can be written as a sum of difference of 2 angles, that is sine 45 minus 30 degree. Now this is in the form of sine A minus B, which can be written as sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So here now it is sine 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and cos 45 is again 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 is the denominator and numerator is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is the value for sine 15 degree. Next one, show that tan 45 plus A, tan 45 minus A is equal to 1. First let us take the left hand side of the result, that is tan 45 plus A tan 45 minus A. So that is equal to tan A plus tan B. So that is tan 45 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan A. So this is now in the form of tan A plus B. The other one, take it in the form of tan A minus B, which becomes tan 45 minus tan A whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan A. So now we know that the value of tan 45 degree is 1. So replace 1 in the place of tan 45 degree. It becomes 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A. So here the numerator with the common terms, denominator with the common terms get cancels. So the answer is equal to 1. So which is the right hand side of the equation. Next, prove that sin x minus sin y over sin x plus sin y is equal to tan x minus y by 2 cot x plus y by 2. So first let us take sin x minus sin y divided by sin x plus sin y. Now using transformation formula, that is sin C minus sin D and sin C plus sin D. So sin C minus sin D is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2. Sin C plus sin D can be written as 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So we can write this as 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 whole divided by sin x plus sin y can be written as 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Here sin x minus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 can be written as tan x minus y by 2. And cos x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2 can be written as cot x plus y by 2. So this is the required result. Prove that cos 75 plus cos 15 over cos 75 minus sin 15 is equal to root 3. Now again this is in the form of cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos t. So here cos 75 plus cos 15 can be written as 2 cos 75 plus 15 divided by 2 cos 75 minus 15 divided by 2. And denominator here it is 2 cos 75 plus 15 divided by 2 sin 75 minus 15 divided by 2. Now here 2 get cancelled. This along with the denominator get cancelled. We have cos 75 minus 15 by 2 sin 75 minus 15 by 2, which is cos 75 minus 15 is nothing but cos 60 degree. Cos 60 by 2 is cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree divided by sin 30 degree. So which is equal to cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Hence the value is equal to root 3. Next question. Prove that sin a plus cos a whole square is equal to 1 plus sin 2a. First, expand sin a plus cos a whole square in the form of a plus b whole square. So, sin a plus cos a whole square, sin a plus cos a whole square can be written as sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a. So, sin square plus cos square can be written as 1. 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a, the multiple angle formula. Next question, 5-mark question. So, these are the questions you may expect for 2 or 3 marks question from this chapter. Let's look forward for 5-mark question. So, prove that cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree is equal to 1 by 8. So, let us take the left hand side, that is cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree. Now here we have this is in the form of cos A, cos B, cos A. First let us take the first two terms. This is in the form of cos A, cos B, which can be written as half cos of A plus B. So A plus B means 20 plus 40 degree, 60 degree, plus cos A minus B. So you can take 40 as the first angle and 20 as the second angle. So you can take it as 40 minus 20, which is equal to 20 degree. And here you have cos 80 degree. Now here half cos 60 is also half plus cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Now this is equal to half into cos 80 degree, which is 1 by 4 cos 80 degree. Next we have 1 by 2 cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Now again you can take this as cos A, cos B form. So which is 1 by 4 cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 cos A plus B becomes 20 plus 80, 100 plus 80 minus 20 is again cos 60 degree. So next we have 1 by 4 cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 4 cos 100 degree. Next we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 cos 60 degree. So 1 by 4 cos 80 degree. Cos 100 degree can be written as cos 180 minus 80, that is half cos 180 minus 80 degree, and here it is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So 180 minus 80 means which is cos 100, it lies in the second quadrant. So this is half cos 80 degree minus 1 by 4 cos 80 degree plus 1 by 8. So the first two term get cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 8, which is equal to RHS. So applying the transformation formula of cos A, cos B, we can evaluate this and show that it is equal to 1 by 8. Next question. Sine 2a plus sine 2b minus sine 2c is equal to 4 cos a cos b sin c. First, let us take the left hand side, that is sine 2a plus sine 2b minus sine 2c. Now, this can be taken as the first two terms. I'll take this as LHS. The first two terms can be taken as 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Sin 2c can be written as 2 sin c cos c. Now here I can write this as 2 sin 2a plus 2b. You can take 2 as a common factor. You will get it as sin a plus b cos a minus b minus 2 sin c into cos c. Since we have in any triangle ABC, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So, A plus B can be written as 180 minus C. If you apply sine on both sides, you get sine A plus B is equal to sine 180 minus C becomes sine C. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta, so it is sine C. So, instead of sine A plus B, I will substitute it as sine C. And here we have cos A minus B minus 2 sin C into cos C. Now here, let me take 2 sin C as a common factor. So once you take 2 sin C as a common factor, then here I'll get cos A minus B minus cos C. Now I have got 2 sin C cos A minus B minus cos C. So either we can take this in the form of cos C minus cos D. Instead, we can also substitute 2 sin C cos of A minus B. In the place of cos C, we can substitute cos of A plus B. Because we have A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So once you take cos A plus B, you will get cos of 180 minus theta, which is minus cos theta. So hence minus cos C can be represented as plus cos of A plus B. Now we have here cos A minus B, cos A plus B. Cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So sin A sin B minus sin A sin B get cancelled. So we are left with 2 sin C into 2 cos A cos B. So multiply, you will get it as 2 2s are 4 cos A cos B into sin C. So this is the right hand side of the required result. Next one, prove that sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree is equal to 3 by 16. So let us take sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree. Now here I will rearrange these terms. I know the value of sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. Let me rearrange these two terms. I will take it as sine 40 degree into sine 20 degree into sine 80 degree. So now this is in the form of sine A cos B, or you can take it as sine A sin B, which becomes root 3 by 2. So this can be written as minus half into cos of A plus B, which is 60 degree, minus cos of A minus B. 40 minus 20 is 20 degree into sine 80 degree. So now multiply the values here. So we have root 3 by 2 and here we have minus half. Multiply with cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Next we have minus into minus plus half cos 20 degree sine 80 degree. Now multiply the values. You have minus root 3 divided by 8 into sine 80 degree plus root 3 divided by 4 rearrange this as sine 80 cos 20. Next I have one more, it is in the form of again sine A cos B form. So I can write it as minus root 3 by 8 sine 80 degree plus root 3 by 4 into half sine A plus B, which is nothing but sine 100 plus sine A minus B, which is sine 60 degree. Now multiply, we will get minus root 3 by 8 sine 80 degree plus root 3 by 8 sine 100 degree can be written as sine 180 minus 80. Sine 100 degree can be written as sine 180 minus 80, which can be written as sine 80. So here it becomes sine 80. And again plus root 3 by 8 sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Now here plus root 3 by 8 sine 80 minus root 3 by 8 sine 80 get cancels. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 8 2s are 16. That is equal to right hand side of the given equation. So applying the transformation formula of sine A sine B, we will get this in the form of minus half cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Then again multiplying, we can get one more transformation formula for sine C cos B. We'll get one more transformation formula for sine A cos B, which we can write it as sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So evaluating, we will get the constant value 3 divided by 16. So the next one, we have sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 sine a sine b sine c. First let us take sine 2a plus sine 2b. We have this in the form of sine x plus sine y. So I can write this as 2 sine x plus y, that is 2a plus 2b divided by 2. So I will get it as a plus b. Next cos x minus y, so it becomes cos a minus b. Plus sine 2c, I can write it as 2 sine c into cos c. Now sine a plus b can be written as sine c. Since this is a triangle, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, I can take a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. If you apply sine on both sides, then sine of a plus b can be written as sine c, because sine 180 minus theta is sine theta only. So here I have cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c. Now take 2 sine c common factor, then I will get cos a minus b plus cos c. So since 2 is common factor here, I can take it out. Again cos c. Cos c can be written as cos of a plus b. So if you apply cos on both sides, you will get cos a plus b is cos 180 minus c, which becomes minus cos c. So here cos c can be written as minus cos a plus b. So this can be written as 2 sine c cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So if you subtract this, you will get 2 sine c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b becomes 2 sine a sine b. So multiplying, we will get 4 sine a sine b into sine c. Hence we proved the given result. So the next one is again the transformation formula problems here. Let us take the left hand side. So I'll take it as cos 7x plus cos 3x. Take minus as a common factor, then it becomes cos 5x plus cos x whole divided by sin 7x minus sin 3x. Again take minus as a common factor, you will get sin 5x minus sin x. Apply the transformation formula sin c plus sin d. Again sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d formulas. Now here cos x plus cos y formula or cos c plus cos d can be written as 2 cos x plus y by 2. 7x plus 3x is 10x. 10x by 2 is 5x. Next, cos 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x by 2 is cos 2x. Next, again we have minus 2 cos 5x plus x is 6x by 2 cos 3x. Then 5x minus x is 4x. 4x by 2 is cos 2x. Divided by, next we have sin c minus sin d form, which can be written as 2 cos 7x plus 3x by 2 5x sin 7x minus 3x by 2 2x. Again 2 5x and x, which is 2 cos 6x by 2, which becomes 3x, and sin, we get it as 2x. So in the numerator, you have 2 as a common factor as well as cos 2x as a common factor. You will get it as cos 5x minus cos 3x. In the denominator, you have sin 2x as a common factor. So you will get here cos 5x minus cos 3x. So both the numerator and denominator term get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Cos 2x by sin 2x can be written as cot 2x. That is the right hand side of the result. Hence, we proved it. So these are the questions you may expect from the chapter trigonometry. The 5 marks question include the problems related to the transformation formulas, and all those 2-3 marks as well as 1 questions, very simple formulas of trigonometric functions are used. We'll meet you in the next session with the new chapter. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.